I don't shoot a lot of Glocks, so. Wow, talk about no recoil. Okay.
Jeez, don't laugh at me. Can't hit anything.
Lean forward.
But then I feel like I have to brace. Damn, I can't.
Barely nicked that one. Shoot it off the top.
Damn, I can't hit it.
Good thing that's not an attacker.
Huh?
Good thing that bottle's not trying to get you.
Where?
Let me try it. Where's it hitting?
I don't know. Right under, I think. Oh, there you go.
Target. This gun's fun to shoot.
I'm glad Elena liked it. Hit that orange thing up on the top of that board.
Ha! Fuck.
You pussy, come on.
What is it?
I don't know. Too high. Too low. Too low. I don't know.
Oh, look at the target.